Assalamu alaikum students. I once again welcome you in this online lecture series. We are continuing the topic that's hydrocarbons. Let me recapitulate what we discussed in the last video lecture. I told you people these hydrocarbons are the compounds which are formed by the combination of hydrogen and carbon. A compound made up of hydrogen and carbon only is called as hydrocarbon, and the simplest of the hydrocarbons is methane. And I gave you certain important I can say examples as far as this hydrocarbons are concerned. I gave you the example of ethane. I gave you the example of ethene and some other examples, and I told you people the most important natural resource of the hydrocarbons in petroleum, I can say, which is obtained from underground oil deposits by drilling oil wells, and the natural gas which occurs above petroleum deposits also contain as hydrocarbons. The formula, I can say, the hydrocarbons are actually the compounds made of hydrogen and carbon. As far as this natural gas is concerned, Ng, this contains this CH4. Almost 99% of methane is present in the natural gas. So that's why this natural gas is wholly or solely made up of this methane. So this was actually the recapitulation of the last video lecture. Let's discuss important, I can say, types of these hydrocarbons. There are actually two main important types of hydrocarbons. One is saturated hydrocarbons and another are actually the unsaturated hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons have been classified into two types. One is saturated hydrocarbon and another is unsaturated hydrocarbon. So let's discuss what actually these saturated hydrocarbons are. So let's discuss these saturated hydrocarbons. These saturated hydrocarbons are actually the hydrocarbons in which the saturated hydrocarbons are actually the hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are connected by single bonds is called as saturated hydrocarbon, like single bonds. And these saturated hydrocarbons are also called as alkenes. They are also called as alkanes. Now the question arises why they are called as these saturated hydrocarbons or called as alkanes, and why they are called as alkanes. Because an alkane is a hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by single covalent bonds. There is no double or triple bond in an alkane. So thus the hydrocarbons like methane, CH4, like ethane, C2H6, like propane, C3H8. These are examples or simple examples of the saturated hydrocarbons. So now the question arises what actually these saturated hydrocarbons are. You must remember that a saturated hydrocarbon is a hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by only single bonds. And these saturated hydrocarbons are also called as alkanes. Now somebody will pose your question why they are also called as alkanes. Because an alkane is a hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by only single covalent bonds and there is no double or triple bond. Some of the important examples of these saturated hydrocarbons are CH4, that's methane, another is C2H6 and another is C3H8. And now I will tell you how this carbon is in combination with hydrogen, how these carbon atoms are linked with one another through single covalent bonds to form these saturated hydrocarbons. Let us discuss these. So I was telling you that these saturated hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons in which the carbon atoms are connected by only single bonds. So some of the important examples of these saturated hydrocarbons are methane. Look at this beautiful picture of this methane. This is carbon. Carbon is having atomic number of 6. That means in first shell it contains 2 electrons. In second shell it contains 4 electrons. That means it needs 4 more electrons to complete its octet. To follow the octet rule, carbon has to gain 4 more electrons. So this carbon is having 4 valence electrons. Valence number 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4. So it shares its 4 valence electrons with hydrogen atoms. This is hydrogen. The second hydrogen, I'm talking about methane, CH4, second H, and this is third and fourth H. this hydrogen contains one electron in its outermost shell. That means having atomic number of 1, it has one electron in its outermost shell. That means one electron. This hydrogen contains one electron, this contains one more electron, and this contains one electron. That means this carbon shares this one electron with this one electron, thereby forming a covalent bond with this hydrogen. Also, there occur the covalent bond formation between one electron of the carbon and one electron of the hydrogen. Same is the case with this side, same is the case with this side. So, this carbon, you could see this carbon is linked to 4 other carbon atoms by single covalent bonds, and that's why this methane have been categorized in the, I can say, saturated hydrocarbon part. I can say saturated hydrocarbon type. So this was actually the example of the saturated hydrocarbon. And another example is ethane. This carbon in combination with other hydrogen atoms through single bonds. This is a beautiful picture of ethane. So this is a beautiful picture of propane. And let me elaborate the I can say this picture of this ethane. Look. This is carbon bonded to other carbon atoms. The formula of this ethane is C2H6. That's one carbon, second carbon linked to one. This is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth, and this is sixth. This means that these carbon atoms are linked with one another through covalent bonds, through each other, and also with the hydrogen atoms. So this was actually, these were some of the examples of the saturated hydrocarbons. In another lecture, in another video lecture, we are going to discuss some more examples of the saturated hydrocarbons. Look, another example is propane. This is C3H8. This is C3H8 like this. This is one carbon, another carbon, another carbon. 3 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. This is a formula of propane, and these are all already, I can say, these are linked with each other by single covalent bonds, and that's why these methane, ethane, and propane have been categorized in saturated hydrocarbon type. So this was end of today's lecture. In next lecture, we are going to study some more examples as far as the saturated hydrocarbons are concerned. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay safe and stay blessed, and accept my greetings of Eid al-Fitr. So thank you.